So today we are going to find out the GCD or HCF of two numbers using division algorithm. For this we take two numbers first. Let's take 54 and 96. Among the two numbers, 96 is the greater and 54 is the smaller number. So we do what? We divide the greater number by the smaller number. The smaller number is 54. So 54, if we divide, so 54 ones are 54. We are dividing it to find the remainder. So 2 and 4, 42 is the remainder. So as we can see, the remainder is not 0. The remainder is not 0. It's not equal to 0. So what we do is that we divide this smaller number, we divide this smaller number 54 by the remainder again. We do it again and again until and unless the remainder becomes 0. If the remainder doesn't become 0, we will carry on like this. And we will 42 ones are 42, then the remainder is 2 and 12. The remainder is 12, which is again not equal to 0. Since the remainder is again not equal to 0, we again proceed. We divide this 42, we divide this 42 by the remainder, which is 12. 3 12 are 36, so we take 3, 36, and the remainder is 6, which is again not equals 0. Since the remainder is again not equal to 0, we proceed. We do what? We take the smaller number. The smaller number is 12 and we divide it by the remainder. The remainder is 6. So 6 twos are 12. So here the remainder is 0. So here the remainder is 0. We do what? Since we have arrived to a iteration where the remainder is 0, the divisor of that division is the GCD of the two numbers. So GCD of 54 and 96 is 6. This is how we find out the GCD of 94 and 56. Now we will understand this division algorithm with the help of another example. 56 and 48. 56 and 48. 56 and 48. So among 56 and 48, which number is greater? Of course, this number, and the smaller number is 48. So we divide the greater number, which is 56, by the smaller number, which is 48. And 48 ones are 48. So here the remainder is 8, 8, which is not equals 0. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, we will not stop here. We will do what? We will divide the smaller number 48 with the remainder. We will continue this iteration until and unless the remainder comes 0. Here the remainder is not equal to 0, that is why we proceed further. 8 6 are 48, and the remainder here is 48 minus 48, which is 0. Since the remainder is 0, we stop here, we stop here, we stop here, and the divisor of the last division, that is the GCD. greatest common divisor. So GCD of 56 and 48 is 8. Our answer. I hope you all understood it. Please do like, share, and subscribe my new channel. Thank you.